Portable gantry CNC plasma cutter machine on Africa user site. CNC gantry advantages. Occupy smaller space. Gantry CNC torch move on beam. Not like the cross-beam type CNC is beam move while cutting. Dual feet has dual drive motors. Move speed faster, stable. And no more shake while cutting. 3 dual feet gantry can cut more complex drawings of narrow gaps. Circles are more accurate. Standard effective working area, 1600 x 3000 mm. Tracks length customized available. Drag chain wire protections. F2100B system 53 graphics. Support many languages. THC 1621 torch height control system. Linear guide stepper motor. Box aluminum tracks. V39 bearings.